After, in 1995, Daewoo bought FSO. They started producing some of their cars into the factory, like Daewoo Tico, Nezia, FSO. So they had the Polonez project laying around from the FSO acquisitions, and so they chose to give it a majestic end after many years of production. This car was produced between 1997 and 2003. It was available in different versions, 5 seats, 4 doors, also standard double cabin long storage area. In 1998, they introduced colorful plastic bumpers and more reinforced cabin, better noise insulations. To improve off-road capabilities, it also had reinforced rear axle and thicker suspensions. The engine was the same gasoline one from the Polonez 1.6 liter engine and then a 1.9 diesel engine.